Hello everyone, today I am going to open and build this LEGO Ideas set, the Sea Serpent. So without further ado, let's open it up and start building. And here we are, I have finished building this LEGO Ideas Sea Serpent. So without further ado, let's dive in. Here's a battle at the Sea Serpent. I think it's an excellent remake of the original set, which I don't have. There's some brilliant building techniques across the build. Let's take a detailed look. I find particularly interesting with the edge of the boat using this L-shaped tile. It's a fascinating building technique, and of course, despite the size, you can open up the side to reveal a treasure chest. There are also plenty of space for you to place the minifigure, and on here there's another storage which you can open to reveal a box of cookies. The front of the boat is also done really well. This is obviously the place where you use to ram onto the other boats. I think it's a good idea to use this piece for the ship hull, which create a smooth texture. Underneath, it's quite unusual. You don't have the round tile underneath to allow it to kind of slide across a flat surface. Despite being a gift with purchase, LEGO did produce a fabric for this cell here, which is pretty cool. This set does include not just one but tools of the soldier from this faction from the old castle themes. You got a really cool torso. I'm pretty sure you will get more from Pick a Brick. And the shield though is using the new Legend of Zelda Hidden shield shape, but with this print here. I'm glad that they're using print himself stickers. And obviously can't wait to get more of this from Pick a Brick later. Unfortunately though, this is a different shape compared to the older castle set, so you will have to get lots of these to be more consistent and can't really mix them with the old castle themes. And this is the LEGO Ideas Sea Serpent gift with purchase. It's a great gift with purchase despite having a quite high threshold, but the model itself that does it justice with a brilliant build, or at least an updated experience with no stickers, so you got some very cool elements. It's definitely gonna please many LEGO Castle fans. I do find it interesting they use a new shield shape, which although is a remake of an old set, but as I mentioned earlier, you can't really fit this minifigures into the old castle theme because it's so different. Now this is indeed a set pretty hard to get because the gift with purchase promo has sold out within a day, at least in Australia and New Zealand. Definitely it's worth getting if you can get hold of it without paying a premium price. You let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.